this before.
This?
I think he might have wrote it all before he moved out.
Really?
Maybe it was here, but I just don't recall it though. I need to go back and look.
Holy smokes.
You saw all the pictures. Do you remember seeing it?
No.
I don't either. He got divorced,
Really?
and this was obviously the master.
I'm trying to go far, but I don't pay for PR. I'll never be a star or drive a fancy car. I could do sell out shit so that I can gain clout. Clout is what
So Lenny just told me that he sold that house a year ago, something like that. And then he also did that house right over there. Alright, what's going on, guys? So to do a complete breakdown, kind of run through the house, you bought the house, right, for $280,000.
Yep, 280. Yeah, so I'm figuring about 30,000 altogether between the pool, the pavers, everything like that.
I like that.
But I think there's some room, but there's also, like we talked about, the garage potential that used to have an air conditioning on it, and all the ductwork and everything still there, that we might convert that back to like a game room / garage. So if the cost is reasonable, then we're going to convert that as well.
I like that. So altogether about $30,000 in potential expenses when it comes down to repairs and upgrades, $280,000 initial investment, and then based off of the previous properties, the two that you've sold across the street and you've worked on, anywhere from around like most likely 340 to 360, so around 350 would be at least.
And I think probably more than that. Honestly, when we get the pool and everything done, I really think we can probably push more in the 360, 370.
I like that.
Yeah.
So you'd be all in pretty much around 310.
About 310.
So it gives you about, even on the low end, a $40,000 cushion.
Right. Which would pay you and the other realtor that would come in, and any other like holding costs that we would have, electric and insurance and things like that. Anything I sell it above 325 is profit.
I like that. So 325 all in pretty much, and 3 to 4 month project, right?
Yeah, it's probably going to be about, it'll probably be done in about 6 weeks, 8 weeks, something like that. But by the time we get it done, get it sold, and get it all back, I'm thinking probably a 3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months.
Total, like out of this project completely and moving on to the next.
I like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this update. Again, this is going to be the second house that I found, right, as like for the hard money loan. If you guys haven't followed Lenny on Instagram, that's going to be that first link in the description. You're the top or one of the top real estate agents for realty executives, right, in Arizona?
Yeah, actually of Arizona period, yeah.
I like it.
Realty executives, but of all of them, yes. We do
Really?
a lot. We do a lot, yeah.
I like that. So yeah.
I'm in the top 1%.
Not bad. So again, if you guys want to go ahead and check him out, he's going to be that first link in the description. I really do appreciate you allowing us to also film this entire process. So feel free to drop any thoughts or suggestions of what you guys want to see throughout the 3 to 4 month process that you think that would be helpful and also informative for each and every single one of you. I hope we enjoyed your thumbs up. And again, if you guys want to stay connected within our free Facebook group to connect with like-minded individuals, that's going to be that second link in the description. Appreciate you guys' time, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.